Welcome to Ajayasthomani Guru, your go-to source for the latest updates and in-depth analysis on the commodities market. In today's video, we focus on the recent movements in small cardamom prices and what lies ahead for this fragrant spice. Small cardamom prices have been on the rise, following a brief dip below 2,100 Indian rupees per kilogram. This uptick has been fueled by increased buying activity, particularly at the lower price levels. However, it's important to note that despite the recent gains, prices are still trading below the range observed in the previous fortnight. Currently, prices hover around 2,150 Indian rupees per kilogram, compared to the earlier range of 2,150 Indian rupees to 2,300 Indian rupees. Looking closely at the numbers, the average price per kilogram has risen to between 2,118 Indian rupees and 2,154 Indian rupees. This marks an increase from the last session, where prices ranged from 2,068 Indian rupees to 2,103 Indian rupees. The highest price recorded in the latest session was 2,562 Indian rupees per kilogram, a slight decrease from 2,565 Indian rupees previously. Turning to market arrivals, we see an uptick in the volume of small cardamom brought to the market. Arrivals have increased to 66,800 kilograms, up from 59,789 kilograms in the previous session. Of this total, a significant 65,160 kilograms were off-taken, reflecting an improved off-take rate of 97.5%, compared to 93.9% in the last session. Dealers have played a substantial role, accounting for approximately 24.7% of these arrivals, with the remainder coming directly from producers. Now, let's break down the price variations by grade. Grade 7mm are currently priced between 2,100 Indian rupees and 2,180 Indian rupees per kilogram. Grades 7 to 8mm range from 2,320 Indian rupees to 2,400 Indian rupees per kilogram. Grades 8mm and above are trading between 2,550 Indian rupees and 2,680 Indian rupees per kilogram. These prices reflect the diverse quality and size of small cardamom available in the market. As we look to the future, it's crucial to consider the potential price movements. With harvesting set to commence next month, stay tuned to Ajayasthomani Guru for more updates and expert analysis on the commodities market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest insights. Thank you for watching.